40 points. May kumagawa. Alex Sunse. Pass. Nada isa. Mula pass break. Nada.
No.
Ito na po ang kalamangan.
Dalawang beses na yan.
Bagumpare. Medyo nilamara si Alex. Nada. Holly pass. Take kumagawa. Pumihit. Goes up. Pero wala. Rebound by Rubiso. Alex. Goes up by Alex. Bumabawi. Alex pa rin on the ball. Pass to Abyod pick. Napaganda ng pasa. Goes up dinali. Ngayon doon nagkakatabigan. Still Florita. Kamagong on the ball. Pass to Rubiso is on the ball. Rubiso. Pinasa kay Mustasa. Wala. Rebound by Bay. Nagkakagawan. Bay is on the ball. Bay is on the run. Bay. Pass to Vince. Vince is straight into the basket. Vince. Ito lang ang kalamangan. Rubiso drives in. Rubiso basket by Mahmoud. Bay drives in. At may nakuling foul. 9-1. Nakagawa. 9-1 points. Lumipad. Wala nagkakatabigan. Pick-up B. Florita number 20. Down slash to Kamagong. Down slash. At Gabriel. Sanse fires away. It's no good. June down. Bigyan naman ball. Bawal yun. Nada number 19. For the time remaining of 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Nada. Back to Mustasa. Mustasa goes up. Wala. Rebound by Bay number 17. Bay is on the ball. Bay is on the run. Bay pass to Sanse. Sanse dribbling the ball. Pass to Bay. Bay sa gitna. Bay against defense. Napakaganda ng depensa na yun. Pero may foul nakita. Last of them. It's a basketball. Junji, pass to Analupa. Pass to number 19. Number 19 is on the ball. Pass to Rubiso. Rubiso, number 13. Pass to Analupa, number 4. 5 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 91. Dennis Rodman. Pass to Tajak. Pass to San Jose. Pero napakabilis ni Analupa. Analupa is on the ball. Pass to June, number 13. June on the run. Pass to Analupa. Sumayaw sa gitna sa ilalim. Pero Arab. Number 91. Pass to San Jose. Back to number 91. Ang bumangga. Masasaktan. Junzi. Pass to Analupa. Analupa is on the ball. Analupa. Pass to Nada. Wala pa rin. Nagkakaribaunan. Nada on the ball. Pinasa kay Analupa. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Boss Bay at may foul. Jack. Pass to San Jose. Fines. No good. Sa ilalim, Boss Vince, wala pa rin. Rebound by Rubiso. Rubiso to the rebound. Nagkakawawasahan. Passing number 19, Nada for 3. Nada for 3. No good. Rebound, nagkakagawa. Rebound by number 91. Number 91. Pag ang pinikit dyan, masasaktan ka kay Dennis Rodman. Tinasa na wala. June, still to Nada. Dance pass to Analupa, pass to Gadula. Gadula dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Nada. Pass to June, number 13. Napaganda ng pasa pero na-steal na Bay. Bay behind the back. Pass by Sir Vince. Is a basket. Aaron is on the ball. Arevalo, number 8. Arevalo dribbling the ball. Pass to Kamagong. Drives in the paint. Wala. Kamagong pa rin. Pero nakakatabigan up. White ball. Pass to Aaron, number 8. Aaron, pass to Gadula. Dribbling the ball. Gadula back to Aaron. Pass to Florita for 3. Florita wala. Rebound by Bay. Bay is on the ball. Pass to Silva. Pero nakagawan. Last touch by Black ball. Ibanez for me, wala. Rebound by Gadula, number 6. Gadula dribbling the ball, pass to Barbosa. Barbosa is on the ball. Barbosa, pass to Kamagong, take. Kamagong sa gitna. Nilaglag sa ilalim ni Aaron. Wala pa rin Barbosa for offensive rebound. Isa dangan ha. Vince is on the ball. Vince, dribbling the ball. Vince. Nagagawa pa siya. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez on the ball. At may foul. Is foul rep. Number 8. Taluse. Pass to Suba. Suba is on the ball. Suba. Pass to Sir Vince. Vince number 14 for 3. Wala pa rin. Mas. Kamagong to the rebound. Kamagong to Gadula. Gadula is on the ball. Gadula. Sa gitna. Goes up. Meron na huli. What a nice deep. Pass to Aaron. Aaron. Pass to cross pass to Florida. Florida, napakaganda ng tira na yun. Bay, leaving the ball. Bay is on the ball. Bay goes up. Huli. Kamagol, nagkakagawan. Jumper tayo bola. Kanina mo na rep. Nagkakababasahan. Cross pass to Ibanez. Ibanez is on the ball. Paul Towns pass. Suba is on the ball. Pass to Project number 25. Sa ilalim sa gitna. Agabaw na naman. Who's foul? First attempt. Isa. First attempt so good. Tampo ang kalamanan. Alex. Piles. Napakamalas mo na follow up. Boss Trip. Florida for free. It's no good. Gibambay. Nagkakagawan. Nagkakatapigan. Bay is on the ball. Bay passes Suba. Suba is on the ball. Suba passes the Arevalo is on the ball. Arevalo number Wesa. Arevalo. Nagkakang mapapasahan. Arevalo. Pass to Florida. Fake Florida. Pass to Barbo. Barbo sa 4-3. It's 3-4. Bay 4-3. Sumagot. Wala. Rebound by Rubiso. Rubiso dito rebound at may nahuling foul. Bola para sa Yakong Kumanan. Pass to Rubiso. Pass to Barbosa. Goes up. Wala. Nagkakaroon na. Rebound by Gatdula. Gatdula dito rebound. Gatdula pass to Nada. Nada is on the ball. Nada fires. Wala. Nada nagkakaroon. Rubiso. Strong move. At may ground foul tayong Bay is on the ball. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez for free. Pamatay sulog by Ibanez. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Rubiso. Rubiso. Pass to Barbosa. Pass to Nada. Back to Barbosa. Barbosa number 6 is on the ball. Pinasa kay Arevalo. Sa ilalim pumihit. Napakalupit ang pihit pero nahuli. Rubiso for the foul well. It's on the ball. Tajak. Pass to Alex. Alex is on the ball. Pass to Tajak. 15 to shoot. Pass to Bay. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez for 3. Wala. Rebound by Barbo. Pass to Arevalo. Arevalo is on the ball. Pumihit na naman. Pero nahuli ni Boss Bay. Bay is on the ball. Bay, pinasa kay Suba. Bounce pass. Nahuli. Bay, for 3. Wala. Gagdila to the rebound. Pass to Arevalo. Arevalo is on the run. Arevalo, wala pa rin. Arevalo pa rin. Arevalo, wala pa rin. Sayang naman kay Arevalo. Ibanez is on the ball. Ibanez. Ibanez on the run. Ibanez nilaglag sa gitna kay Suba. Pero nahuli. Check. Pass to Nada. Nada is on the ball. Simple night. 54 seconds. Awasan na si Boss Bay. Nilaglag sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Arevalo is on the ball. Arevalo. Drives in. Namersa. Bañez. Pamatay sunog. Tajak. Tajak goes up. Kaya San Jose. Goes up by San Jose. Basket by San Jose. Gatdula. Wala. Bay is on the ball. Nada is on the ball. Nada. Nada. Pass to Rubiso. Rubiso. Back to Nada. 15 to shoot. Nada is on the ball at may nahuling foul. Arevalo. Pass to Nada. Nada number 19. Pass to Mustasa. Number 9. Pass to Nada. Back to Mustasa. Pass to Rubiso. 5 to shoot. Goes up by Camagong. It's a basket by Camagong. Bay is on the ball. Bay. Drives in. Wala pa rin. Wala ang bola. Nagkakagawan. On the ball. Cross pass to San Jose. San Jose. Napakamalas ng team back. Goes up. Bola follow up. May foul. Rubiso, 4th personal foul ha. Rubiso, your 4th personal foul. Apat na boss. Basket by Aaron is on the ball. Aaron. Pass to Rubiso. Rubiso goes up. Basket by Rubiso. Vince is on the ball. Vince. Arevalo. Dribbling the ball. Arevalo. Pass to Nada. Nada is on the ball. Pass to Mustasa. Mustasa fires. Wala. Barbo the rebound by Boss Vince. Still by Arevalo. Still nagkakagawan. Pass to Barbosa. Pass to Mustasa. Goes up. Lumipad at may foul tayo. First attempt. For the 15 ball time. Boss Mus. Tignan natin. Baka makakanakal ka rin. First attempt. Boss May is on the ball. Boss May. Ang ganda ng pasa. At the basketball ball. Aaron, Tasu, Kamagong, nawala ang bola, Bay, Tasu, San Jose against Naga, Naga is on the ball, back to Bay straight into the basket, Bay wala pa rin, nagkakagawan, sa lalabing oras, for the final quarter. Arevalo, pasong Barbosa fires, wala, Jun is on the ball, Jun, pass to, napakalakas ng boss yun. Kamagong, pass to Nada, pass to Barbosa is on the ball, 15 to shoot, pass to Arevalo, pass to Mustasa sa gitna, nilaglag, 10 to shoot, Nada is on the ball, ang ganda ng pasa, pumiyat si Barbosa, is a foul, last attempt, it's never given by Bay is on the ball, Bay is on the run, Bay, pass to San Jose, on the ball, nilaglag kay Suba sa ilalim, Suba on the ball, Suba, pumipihit, nilaglag kay Boss Vince, number Mesa, Tajak goes up, wala pa rin, napakamalas ng team block, Barbosa to Nada is on the ball, dribbling the ball, 6 minutes and 58 seconds, bounces, Barbosa goes up, this one view, sa base one view, wala, pick up by nagkakagawan, Tajak files, pero pinasa kay San Jose, wala pa rin, San Jose pa rin, Pinesa ang kampe, Pinesa mo si Boss Vince. Suba is on the ball. Suba nawawala ang bola. Suba to service, fake. Nilasa kay Suba. Basketball 2 points. Number 4, Analupa. Back to Analupa. Pass for 3. Wala. Rebound. Spacing rebound by Mustasa to Analupa. Drives in the fake. Wala. What a nice spacing rebound by Mustasa. Shoot tayo. Kamagong. Nagkatawa pa sa lahat. Analupa is on the ball. Pass to Balbo. Pinipilit ko Bostel Montaya. Hindi kinakaya talaga. San Jose. Step by Gardula is on the ball. Analupa is on the ball. Pass to Barbosa back to Analupa. Pass to step by Pajak is on the ball. Pajak, pinasa kay Suba goes up na uli. Gardula pero nakuha ni Pajak is on the ball. Pajak is heading into the basket. Pero wala. Tignan by Gardula number 6. Gardula. Pass to Naga is on the ball. Celebrating a 5 minutes and 10 seconds left, 68-55 ang nilalabing oras for the final quarter. Barbosa for 3. Barbosa wala. Nagkawala ang Barbosa pa rin ang bola. Barbosa goes up. Basketball. Ang milagro. Tajak, pass to Bay. Bay is on the ball. Bay commit. At may nahuling. Bay, pass to Suba, wala, nagkakagawa, rebound by Gardula is on the ball, Gardula giving the ball, pass to Kamagong, drives in, wala ang bola, pero, Boss Vince is on the ball, sumasayaw, Boss Vince number 14, Boss Vince dribbling the ball, pass to sa ilalim, pero nahuli ni Boss Barbosa is on the ball, 4 minutes and 25, Barbosa, ginawang bola. Barbosa, pass to Nada. 10 to shoot. Nada behind the back. Sa gitna, fake. Sa ilalim si Kamagong. Basket by Ricky. Pajak is on the ball. Pass to Bay. Bay behind the back pass. Pass on Ross Beach. Napakamalas talaga na natin team block. Kung hindi na kaya mag-give up. Titignan natin. 72-55. Nada is on the ball. Nada, dribbling the ball. Napakaganda ng tiro na yan, pero wala rin ba Bay? Bay,
Pogi. Sige na.
Left-handed, discount, basta taga-MGB. Diba? Ano ba cross pass to Lorita? Pass to get dribble number 6, 15 to shoot. Ano ba number 4? Ano ba? Pass to Barbosa. Pass to Gatdola. Gatdola piles up. It's negative. Remember what means. Pass to Suba. Isa count. Rebound na. No team. Isa lang yan. Pre-shot lang yan. Pre-shot. Last attempt. It's never rebound by Rubiso. Rubiso nagkakaroon pero Bay. Ang ganda ng pasa. At connecting. Dito na alim na hinabol saglit lang Pero 48 seconds na ang record yun Amal mo ba isa on the ball? Love to shoot. Amal mo ba? Drives in. Sumayaw. Balala. Remember Bay. Bay is on the ball. Bay is on the run. Bay. Living the ball. Bay. Taas to Bay Darius. Ibanez. Pamatang sunod. Pereira. Remember Barbosa. Barbosa to Amal mo ba? 2 minutes and 35 seconds left. Rubiso. Basketball. Bay. Files away. It's a basketball. Finish to shoot. Barbosa. On the ball. Taas to Rubiso. Rubiso number 3. Tayo. Dancing. Nilagay ng tulak. Basket. Every basketball ring. Nag-miss na ball. Sisi down. Rubiso to the rebound. Rubiso. Kung wala na kayang makakapasok. Ang ating pindala. Pero tignan natin dahil napakalaki na ang kalamangan na yan. Gatdola. Bounce pass to Daga. Lorita is on the ball. 10 to shoot. Lorita dribble the ball. 8 to shoot. Drives in. Nilaglag pero still. Ano ba? 8 to shoot. Bounce pass. Gatdola. Piles up. It's the second Bay. Bounce pass to Pajak. Pajak. Pass to.
Pinakasa na naman sa kayo. Hindi na pasado.
Muna isa na ba? Ang ating referee, siyempre nagpapasalamat tayo. Ang ating mga referee for the NCAA. Yan ang ating mga official referee na nagkapapuan. At ang ating siyempre sa committee. Maraming salamat. Okay. Barbosa, bounce pass to Arevalo. Arevalo, 5 to shoot. 3 seconds.
Good. Alguna.
Tagaan na mamabasan. Ibanez on the ball. Pass to Pajak. Pajak pass to Suba. Suba, ang ganda na pasahan sa gitna. Fake, thrown shot, basket. Hey, big points at my foul at counted for Trisha. Last attempt is a basket. On the ball, titignan natin kung may miracle pa. Post play, wala. Rubiso, 34 seconds left. Pass to Lorita. Lorita is on the ball. Lorita. Ilalaro ang bola, pass to Barbosa. Barbosa is on the ball. Barbosa, pass to Lorita for 3 points. Wala, nagkakatulak ang Nadal to the rebound. Nadal, 28 seconds left. Up, what's good up? Still the boss piece, pass. Short. 15 seconds. Okay, magkamali tayo 14. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa ating mga NCAA referee. Maraming salamat sa committee. Sa team